Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. There is Humayun Saeed. Humayun Saeed, born on 27 July 1971. Humayun Saeed is a Pakistani actor and producer. Humayun is also a co-founder of the media production house Six Sigma Plus, which produces television drama serials and commercial movies. He has appeared in dozens of Pakistani television dramas and limited number of films and earned numerous accolades including Lux Style Award and Airway Film Awards. Humayun Saeed has a substantial fan following in Pakistan since the beginning of his career, and he was often ranked amongst the highest paid TV actors of his time. In recent years, he has starred in a number of commercially successful films. He is often called as box office king in Pakistan. He born in Karachi into a liberal and well-educated Punjabi family. Humayun attended Nasra School in Karachi where he excelled in his studies and earned the distinction throughout his academic career till matriculation. Later he enrolled himself at a prominent institution, St. Patrick's College in Karachi, and earned a bachelor degree in commerce. Humayun stated he was happily employed at a garments factory as a general manager before he got into the showbiz. He described himself as shy when growing up. He said in an interview, at early age, my parents were against. They did not support my showbiz career, but with the passage of time, with my great effort, they understand me now. They have proud on me. On the other side, my wife is associated to very conservative family. She has lot of problems at initial stage, but now she has maturity level. Humayun Saeed began his career as a television producer. In the late 80s, his maiden production did not produce favorable results. After stepping into showbiz, Saeed's powerful presence caught the eye of directors and he was cast in the TV shows for acting roles. He made his acting debut in 1995 with Karodon Ke Aadmi, followed by Ye Jahan, a musical that was telecast in 1996. The same year, he was declared Best Actor for his performance in Ab Tum Ja Sakte Ho, directed by Mehreen Jaber, in which he was cast opposite Sania Saeed and Halda Riyasat. Saeed continued doing TV production alongside. He partnered with Sultana Siddiqui in late 90s and then Abdullah Kadwani in 2000. For his production companions, he is hailed as one of the most successful producers of the current time. Dawn newspaper wrote, "Enter the world of Humayun Saeed, where acting acumen is merged with a flair for business. Benchmarks are set while new projects are constantly underway and brooding romanticism rules supreme. After 15 odd years in the business, his indubitably at the top of game. Said's notable TV work as actor including Mehndi, Doraha, Kabhi Kabhi Pyar Mein, Kafir, Uran, Humse Juda Na Hona, Ladies Park, Dil Lagi, and guest roles in Meri Zaat, Zare Benishan, and Dam. Said starred in Hadika Kirani's award-winning music video in 2005 called Is Bar Milo, directed by Jami. Saeed has made appearances on reality shows like Living on the Edge as a participant. He also judged a dancing reality show on Airway Digital in 2009. He has also worked in an Indian Bollywood movie, Jashan, in 2009, where he was given a negative role. It was, however, in 2020 when he raised to the level of fame that every drama artist wishes for. He played the role of Danish in drama serial Mere Paas Tum Ho, where he took all the credit of making it the best serial ever made in history of Pakistan. The drama went so far in fame that India, who is known for their movies, also appreciated the performance and drama storyline. On social media, Indian people reacted very positively and showed their love for Humayun openly, comparing him with their top-line actor Shah Rukh Khan. Humayun Saeed made his film debut in 1999 with Samina Pirzada movie Intiha. He portrayed the negative role in Intiha and went on to receive of National Award Best Actor for his role in his very first film. Due to poor condition of Pakistan film industry at that time, he did only limited number of movies until the revival of cinema began in 2013. He has done many movies since the resurgence of cinema in 2013. These include commercial commercially successful films such as मैं हूँ शाहिद अफरीदी, बिन रॉय, जवानी फिर नहीं आनी, and पंजाब नहीं जाऊंगी. His film Jawani Phir Nahi Aani holds the record of being the fourth highest grossing Pakistan film in all time, while his another film Punjab Nahi Jaungi has been declared as the second highest grossing Pakistani film of all time and the highest grossing film of 2017 in Pakistani cinema. In 2018, he starred in film Jawani Phir Nahi Aani 2. As of 2019, the film is the highest grossing Pakistani film of all time. After its huge box office success, he announced 3 more films in an interview with Dawn Images, saying that third film in Japna franchise is in plan to be out in 2 years. While he added, "We are working on 2 other films, one being written by Khalilur Rahman Kamar and the other by Wasi Chaudhary. In 2020, he will appear in Nadeem Beg's London Nahi Jaunga." Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.